Good afternoon, Robeline.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
I'm Robeline Jamsay, 23 years old, single. I have 3 years experience in working as housemaid. I've been work for a couple and with one child.
How old was the child?
4-year-old child.
And then, your main duty in your employer's house?
I cook and I made household work. I clean the house.
How many times do you cook?
3 times.
Do you love to cook?
Yes.
Okay, are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I know that it's a nice country and people there are so nice and kind. So that's why I know that I am safe.
How will you handle having an employer who is always noisy, always shout?
I always stay humble and stay cool and
Not argue with
Yes.
your employer.
Yes, ma'am.
Kitchen appliances, you know how to operate?
Oven, toaster, and washing machine, refrigerator.
Before doing your laundry, before putting the laundry into the washing machine, what will you do to the clothes? What will you do to the clothes? Separate?
Yes, ma'am. I will separate all the clothes and
And you have to check the packets.
yes,
If you
ma'am.
find some money or valuable items inside the packets, what will you do?
I will go to my boss and
Return it.
return it. Yes.
If a 5-year-old kid asks you to play with you but you're too busy to attend to her, what will you do?
I will say to him that I will go
To finish your work
finish
first?
my work first and I will give him a time to play with her.
Okay. And then later, promise the kid to play with her
Yes,
later.
Yes, ma'am, later. After I finish my work.
Do you have any allergies in foods, drugs, detergents?
No, ma'am.
Any food you don't eat?
None, ma'am.
Do you love pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Even big dogs? Not really?
Not really.
Okay. Do you have any message for a future employer, Robeline?
Yes.
Like?
Ma'am, sir, if you hired me, I will promise that I will do my work the best I can do, and I am very trustworthy person. So
That's all. Thanks for coming.